Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. I am excited to take you on my journey today as I get myself in order for 2020. I want to thank Vistaprint for actually sponsoring this video, so let's get started. So friends, when the new year started, the first thing I did was spend more time at home reflecting, getting my home in order, setting home goals for 2020. But now it's time to transition to my business and do the same thing. Many of you have been on this journey with me from the beginning, and you know 3 years ago I opened my professional organizing business in the Charleston, South Carolina area. And one thing that we get a lot of questions when people come in is, what is your business about? What do you guys do? And because this is such a common question, I knew I had to do something about it, and I needed a little lobby upgrade. When I opened the business 3 years ago, the first thing I did was go to Vistaprint, and I had my sign made with my logo. I absolutely love it. And I knew that I needed to upgrade now. I've been in this space for 3 years. It's time to upgrade so that I better explain myself. And so I went to the Vistaprint website and I created and designed my sign to my liking. I absolutely love it. It's the same acrylic sign as the main sign, but now when someone walks in, they see that this is a professional organizing business. They see all of the services. It is also a great marketing tool. And then it had me thinking I'm going to get a smaller one to put on the other side for our mission statement, because I definitely want that as you walk in. So really a great addition. Now the coffee area here is also in the lobby area, and I thought putting a little branding over here really would enhance this space for 2020, and I'm going to add a simple touch by putting new mugs here. But the new mugs are from Vistaprint also. I went on their website. This took all of 1 minute to do. Putting the logo on the front, putting our contact information on the back, and this is a multifunctional product for me in my business, because not only do we have them here for branding in the office, this is great for client gifts when I go to their homes and businesses, and these mugs are also great when I'm going doing presentations and workshops, book signings and events. This really can be one of those products that you use in a variety of ways, which can be a money saver for a small business owner. And I find that adding simple branding touches throughout your entire business is important because, one, it helps the team really buy into the business and connect with the business. Along with it, says a lot about you and what you think about your business, and taking the time to make sure that you have a look for your business. And when someone sees that mug or that sign, they know it's At Home with Nikki. And so that's the goal. And being a longtime customer of Vistaprint, they have always, over the years, made it simple for me to get all of the resources I needed for my business. One, because they have reasonable quantity amounts for a small business owner. They don't ask you to buy 10,000 of one thing, and I love that about them. You can get the quantities that really fit your business at a great rate. You can design it. You have so much freedom with the design, and it really, really is an easy go-to for your marketing material and all those products and things that you need to run your business. This area also is a great place that I am not really maximizing it, as far as marketing. And because I have a variety of services and things going on, I need to really, really showcase that more in the lobby. And so I love this little sign because I designed it so that it could be a size that really fits on this small side table, but it would just be something that is, if someone walked in and they saw it, it could encourage them to ask a little more about my meal planning club. And so it's something so simple to do, so affordable, sit right here, but it could bring me a tremendous amount of membership to my meal planning club. So I absolutely love having this in here, and I wish I had thought of this so long ago, but it's really just a great addition to the lobby, and it doesn't overtake the space. But now when you walk in, the reception desk is the first thing you see. You see this big reception desk, and the reception desk is a great way to market your business, but you don't want to overdo it, because clutter is a big no-no, especially in a professional organizing office. And so I did want to put some rack cards up that someone could grab and go, and it basically would have all of the services on one side and just a beautiful graphic on the front with the logo. And they have so many different paper options, from the matte to the glossy, and paper sizes such as the trifold brochures, or I like the front and back rack cards because sometimes I may want to turn it this side to give one view and then turn it to the front to give another view. It gives me that option. They also have like bifold. So they have different options for, what you want for your business, but I thought this really was nice to hold to the side. Now friends, one of my favorites is the retractable sign, and I used this last year for my book signings because I love that they're compact, easy to store away, And what I do is I have different retractable signs so that I can pull them out with whatever sale I have going on. So if I want to pull out the military discount and have that displayed, I can pull that out for a week. I can pull out, a spring sale or, whatever it is you can have ready to go at all times. So my second goal for my business for 2020 is my new book, The Beautifully Organized Home Planner. I announced this week that it has been born. It's available for pre-order, and it actually launches March 24th. And so that means I am gearing up for some big time marketing. So last year when I launched Beautifully Organized, my first book, I went straight to Vistaprint because that's where I got my bookmarks. That's where I got all of my marketing material for the book, such as my postcards that had all of my signing locations. I even made business cards to gather email addresses and do giveaways. So it was definitely my go-to spot for all of those things for marketing my book, and I'll be right back there again. My third goal was to find ways to better enhance the client experience. One, I started a VIP membership, so I created these cards on Vistaprint, which are the same height and weight of a credit card and have that same durability. And so what I'm going to do is offer perks to my VIP members. And so this is a great addition to the business. And I also wanted to upgrade our marketing material for the business side of my professional organizing company because we service homes and we also service companies. And so on the business side, I really wanted the presentation material to really be vibrant, really be beautiful, really be great quality paper. Also great presentation folders, which again, this took me all, it's gorgeous, but it took me all 5 minutes to create on the Vistaprint website. Gives me a great place to put a business card, all of our materials, and it really gives a professional presence to the company. And I love this. Along with, now that I'm going to be doing more of the events and book signings and things, I wanted to be able to have a little kind of grabs to go. And so these stickers are perfect for that with my little quotes from the book on it. And so those are things that I like having around the office to take whenever we go to events, along with gift bags with the logo for the company, because when I go to a client's home, it really looks neat to have a nice little gift in the bag for my client. And I always like to give them a consumable, whether it's a candle or something that they can use and they don't have to really keep in their home, but they can use it and they're done with it. So friends, those are my top 3 goals for my business this year to start. I hope you have enjoyed. I want to thank Vistaprint for actually sponsoring this video. I will also be sure to put the link to Vistaprint in the description box along with the offer code, so definitely check that out. On another note, they always have special deals, so definitely that website is always great to check out. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.